Get your stick.
Sad, eh?
Go get your stick. Go get it.
Go cry.
Get your log.
Go cry. She's got it in the middle. Look at her. She's so proud. You got it in the right spot. Little beaver.
So proud of herself.
The first time she got by the nettle, she was like, oh. What is that down there?
Oh, she got caught.
You okay? You gotta be careful when you got a big stick. You'll never.
Stick. Get your stick.
No, can't do it, eh?